logic. Basic postulates of Boolean logic. So here we will be talking with we will be working with 1 or 0 only, two variables 1 and 0. Okay, so basic postulates means what different operations we can perform. We can perform plus operation, we can perform plus operation. So plus indicates or, then dot operation, so this dot indicates and operator, and then we will be performing this bar operation, so this indicates not operation. Okay, so these three logical operators we have discussed. So this plus means or, dot means and this bar means not operation. Okay, so what basic postulate means basic rules of Boolean algebra that we are going to discuss, and we are having only two values, 1 and zeros. Okay, so if you are performing this plus on 1 and 0, so if you are writing 1 plus 1, so 1 plus 1 will be 1. As I told you that in Boolean algebra or in Boolean logic, we do not have any other value except 1 or 0 or except true or false. Okay, so if you are writing true plus true, so there will not be true. Means in general algebra we do x plus x, we write 2x. So here 2 is not allowed. Okay, so you can't write like this t plus t equal to 2t. It is not possible in Boolean algebra. So here 1 plus 1 is 2. You can't write like this. Okay, so this always you have to keep in mind. So 1 plus 1 is 1, then 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. So that is the basic rule you have to keep in mind. Okay, then this dot. Next we have to see dot. So dot, here 1 dot 1 is equal to 1, 1 dot 0 equal to 0, 0 dot 1 equal to 0, and 0 dot 0 equal to 0. So here uh, it is same as we are doing in the algebra, in our own algebra, usual algebra we are doing. Same thing we are getting here. Okay, but if you are writing suppose true dot true, it doesn't means true square. No, you can't write like this, because nothing is allowed except 1 or 0, except true or false. Okay, so no other values are allowed. Okay, so 2 you cannot use anywhere in Boolean algebra. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. So here we are not doing multiplication. What we are doing, we are performing AND operation. You have to keep in mind AND operation. So dot is here, dot is not indicating we are multiplying the things. Here what we are doing, we are ANDing. We are ANDing two values, and these values can be two signals. Okay, these two values can be signals which are representing voltage, high voltage, low voltage, low voltage, high voltage, like that. Okay, or it can be a boolean value. Okay, like true and false, false and false, true and true, like that. So true and true will always be true, true and false will always be false, false and true will always be false, like that. So in this way you have to think. Okay, then we have to see this one bar. So if you are writing 1 bar, so 1 bar will be 0 and 0 bar will be 1. Simple. So this is bar of 1. It can be read as bar of 1, and this can be read as bar of 0. Okay, so 0 bar means 1, 1 bar means 0. Okay, so these are the basic postulates of Boolean algebra. Okay, now what we can do, we can replace uh, these Boolean values with variables. We can replace these Boolean values with variables. So if we are replacing these Boolean values with variables, so one variable, suppose now let us have a Boolean variable and its name is suppose A. So now we are going to work, we are going to perform these operations on this Boolean variable. Okay, so now suppose the same operation we are going to perform plus operation. So if you are writing A plus 1, so A plus 1 will be equal to what? A plus 1 will be equal to 1. Because what are the possible values of A? Possible values of A are either 0 or 1. So whatever value we are putting here, 0 plus 1, again 0 plus 1 means we are talking about the 1 plus 0, we are talking about this one. And if A's value is 1, so 1 plus 1, so we are talking about this one. So our, no, this one, not this one. If A is 0, set it will become 0 plus 1, so this is, so again we are getting 1. If A is 1, then it will become 1 plus 1, so we are talking about this one. So 1 plus 1 is also 1. So if you are having an expression where one is variable, one variable and plus 1 is there, so A plus 1 will be 1. Very, very important formula in Boolean algebra that you have to keep in mind. A plus 1 means 1. Now if you are writing A plus 0, A plus 0 will be equal to A. How? A plus 0 will be equal to A. Why? Because if A is 0, then 0 plus 0 will be 0, again the value of A. If A is 1, then 1 plus 0 will be equal to 1, again the value of A. So it depends upon the value of this expression, depends upon the value of A. So that's why here we have written A. So A plus 0 will always be equal to A. You have to keep in mind. Okay. Then if you are writing other things like this, suppose you are writing A plus A. So A plus A will be A. Okay. So you have to consider this one. Now suppose you are performing this dot operation. So dot operation A dot 1. So A dot 1 will be equal to A. How? Suppose A is 0. Suppose A is 0, so it will become 0 dot 1. So 0 dot 1 means what? It will be 0. So the value of A is 0, so we are getting A. So A dot 1 will always be equal to 1. Now suppose A is 1. So 1 dot 1. So 1 dot 1 is what? 1 dot 1 is 1, which is again the value of A. So we are getting A in this case. So A dot 1 will always be equal to A. So in this expression, A's value is determining the value of the expression. Okay, right. Next we can write here A dot A we can write A dot A is A, like this. Explore it. Let us explore it. Just now we have seen this one. We are writing A plus 1 equal to, I am writing what? 1. A plus 1 equal to 1 I am writing. Okay. Now you see, as I told you that no other values are allowed. Okay, so suppose now we are having an expression like this: x plus x x plus this I'm writing x plus कुछ भी value, any value you can take, plus 1. I'm writing like this. So what will be the value of this? What will be the value of this? Simply you can see here, just now I have written here A plus 1 equal to this 1. So this A can be, it can be any expression. It can be any expression. It can be any expression. So simply you have to remember this here it is plus sign. So simply you have to remember it like this: anything plus 1 in Boolean algebra, anything plus 1, or you can say 1 plus something or 1 plus anything will always be equal to 1. Doesn't matter what is this, doesn't matter how big expression it is, doesn't matter. If 1 plus 1 is there in that expression, so blindly you can write it is 1. Very important concept here. Okay, blindly you can write 1. Okay. Now let us have two this you are having this one expression, one variable x. Okay, and now you are doing like this, x plus x bar, x plus x bar. You are having one variable x, its value either can be 0 or it can be 1. Now suppose you are performing various operations on this x plus x bar. So what will be the value of x plus x bar? So x plus x bar will be equal to 1. How it will be equal to 1? Because suppose x is 0. So when x is 0, then x bar be equal to, x bar will be equal to 1. So it will become 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay. When x is 0, when x is 0, this expression will be this. When x is 1, so it will become 1, x will be 1 plus x bar will be equal to 0. So 1 plus 0, again we know it is 1. So if you are having an expression x plus x bar, then you have to write it is 1. So this you can remember it as a formula in Boolean algebra. X plus x bar is equal to 1. Okay, that you have to keep.